I'm sure I smell smoke. There!
What? Over here? I thought it was my breakfast, but, what's that train doing in the book?
Hi, Mom.
Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Click!
Malcentering yet again.
Click! Get that train and those cubs out of the book!
Pronto!
Executing command.
Oh, Lionel, Leona! Lionel!
Completed. Applause for Mouse.
Oh, are you guys okay?
Yeah, we're okay, but Kapiti Plain's on fire.
Yes,
What?
it's a blaze! A blaze!
A blaze?
I guess that was one of those things I shouldn't have done because it turned out badly in the end.
Everyone, don't panic. This is just an illustrated fire.
The other way! Get back in here, you...
There is no danger to the library or its patrons.
Remain calm, citizens. All is well. Oh, she said it's just an illustrated fire.
Now, look, I told you monkeys to go the other way! Now, move!
Whoa!
Now get that hold of that book and turn on the water!
No water! You'll ruin the book! Well, look, can't you see it's not a real fire? It's an illustrated fire!
Right! Men, let's go get the illustrated hose with the illustrated water! Move!